Easy English Practice.
Hello everyone, welcome to MJ English Learning. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will see use of could, how to use should, and correct use of would. Before we begin, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel if you haven't done. And thank you to those who has subscribed. So without further ado, let's get started. Could used to express possibility or ability in the past or polite request. Example of expressing possibility. It could snow tomorrow if the temperature drops. She could get the promotion if she performs well in the interview. The shortcut could save us a lot of time. They could arrive at any moment now. The movie could be better than the reviews says. Examples of expressing past ability. As a child, he could swim for hours without getting tired. When she was young, she could memorize entire books. My grandfather could fix any broken appliance. He could easily lift 100 pounds in his 20s. They could always make people laugh with their jokes. Examples of making polite requests. Could you please open the window? Could you help me with this assignment? Could I ask you for some advice on this? Could we meet tomorrow to discuss this further? Should. Should used to give advice, suggestions, or express an expected behavior. Examples of giving advice. You should drink more water to stay hydrated. You should exercise regularly for better health. She should take a break if she is feeling overwhelmed. You should save a portion of your income every month. They should try to finish the project early to avoid stress. Examples of making suggestions. We should try the new restaurants downtown. You should see the movie, it's fantastic. They should invite Sarah to the event. You should check out this book, it's really amazing. We should plan a weekend trip together. Examples of expressing expected behaviors. He should be here by 5 p.m. The report should be ready by tomorrow morning. Everyone should wear their ID badges on site. The bus should arrive at its regular time. All employees should follow the safety guidelines. Would. Would used to talk about hypothetical situations, polite offers, and future intentions in the past. Examples of hypothetical situations. If I had more free time, I would travel the world. She would buy that dress if it were less expensive. If they lived closer, they would visit more often. He would help you if he knew how. If it were not raining, we would go for a walk. Examples of polite offers. Would you like some tea? Would you like me to carry that for you? Would anyone like a piece of cake? Would you prefer to meet in the morning? Would you care to join us for dinner? Examples for future intentions in the past. She said she would call me later. They thought they would finish the project by Friday. He promised he would be here by 6. I was sure they would arrive on time. She knew she would need more time to prepare. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more.